So is there a problem here? You got somebody else's. Yeah, this is a big mistake. So they gave Carrie a room that seems occupied. Look at this. Man, this is not clean. Somebody was having fun here in a carnival. They did not clean this room. Wow. Well, housekeeping did not clean this room just yet, man. Damn, I'm sorry. What they got, a shirt there? Yeah, they gotta fix that, man. They gotta give you some kind of discount. That's crazy, guys. Can you believe that? Hey. So guys, we're back here in Salvador Bahia. I was here just a little while back. You've seen that video. If not, check it out. This is Ivan here. I bring you content from all around the world. I'm currently touring Brazil. This is my favorite country in the world. We left Rio this morning and now we landed in Salvador Bahia. When you get here, you're gonna see transfer. You have taxis right here, and then you have this section for transportation and apps. Uber does operate here, but we have 3 guys with suitcases. It's impossible for all of us to fit in a small car. They don't have Uber XL or any other option here. It's all small vehicles, so our only chance was to grab a taxi. So we're on our way now.
First time coming here in Salvador?
What's that?
First time coming here in Salvador?
No, segundo vez. Pero mi amigo es la primera vez. So guys, we're going to the Quality Inn, and we were able to score this big old van here thanks to my man Patrick in the back. You've seen our other videos. And I have Carrie HQ in the back right there. First time in Salvador Bahia, so it's gonna be a very interesting experience. So guys,
need your sanity hand?
Let's go and see what Salvador is talking about this time around. It's gonna be a little bit different. It's not my first time, so I'm a little bit more comfortable here. So let's see what kind of trouble we can find out here, guys. Stay tuned. Before leaving Rio for Salvador Bahia, I decided to visit some areas in Rio that also carry a rich history of African influence. Good morning from Rio again. I'm at this place here called Dida Bar, a restaurant. It's actually an African restaurant. It's an African restaurant. You have this African cloth and decoration all over the place. You know, look at this. It's really cool. You know? And look at these. We got all of these amazing people here that are represented. Look at that. You know? Some of you guys don't know about this guy right there. Some of you guys don't know about him. Look at this. You got Nelson Mandela. You got all these, you know? Oh wow, that is amazing. Okay. Wow. This is a really nice venue, guys. Really nice. So then they have the bar right here. Okay. Nice. Yes. That's really cool. You want to come and hang out with, you know, people that look like you here in Brazil, Rio? This is the place where the African culture is celebrated. Look at the clothes. Yeah. So he's showing me all the different places where you can hang out when you come to this restaurant. Yeah. Nice. Wow. So this is the name, Dida Bar and Restaurant.
My name is Rogerinho.
Your name is Hajaria?
Yes.
Okay. He's practicing English. We're using Duolingo. So he's doing good. So let's take a look. Look at this menu. They have, this is Africa in Brazil. They have all these different, you know, meals that remind you of home. Man, you got those potatoes here. Man. Pratos africanos. Man, I'm gonna have to come and eat here. I'm gonna have to come and eat here. They have so many options. It's a beautiful, beautiful restaurant. So as I'm waiting for my boy, I figured I'd come out here and, you know, take a look. So I met him, and he's basically like learning English, and I understand a little bit more Portuguese, but I still can't speak. It's similar to Spanish, but it's really not. Like, it's weird. Sometimes you pick up a few words here and there. So he was just showing me what's going on. So when you come here, Dida, this is where you want to come and check, you know, and eat and be surrounded with African culture. Right next to that restaurant, Daddy Restaurant and Bar, they have a store where they sell African clothing. So take a look. It's not a very big store, but they do have a few things out here, you know. Got one with Martin Luther King. Got these very traditional clothes that you can purchase. These beautiful African dresses. This is Africa represented right here. Africa represented right here in Rio de Janeiro. Look at that. Amazing. So I'm gonna put the information below, and if you're interested in you know, coming and taking a look and supporting the culture, having a drink, whatever, you know, come and check this out. So this is a place I wanted to show you guys, to show you how Africa is represented out here in Rio. The second place I visited was Little Africa. So you see, they have a lot of tours here. This is Little Africa in Rio de Janeiro. Little Africa is the Afro-Brazilian community that was formed in Rio after slavery was abolished in Brazil in 1888. So guys, these homes are actually occupied. As you can see, people dry their clothes right there, and then they have the stores right here. And then if you pay attention to that one over there, it's completely empty. Actually, there's nothing there, and there's nothing on the next one, and then it's occupied on the other one. It's just a very interesting situation here. I've never seen anything like it before. Wow. So I continue my adventure here, and this is the most famous graffiti here in this area. And again, you have, you know, people living up there, and then this is Pedra del Sal, which is just a rock that's been carved, and they've made, you know, staircases all the way up. And here's the famous Zumi, who is the first free black African who was enslaved here in Brazil. So before I go, let me give you another view of this area here. This is an abandoned building that's occupied by homeless people who have no other options, you know, for food or shelter. This is the best that they can do. It's extremely sad. Right next to it is just another normal building. Life goes on over there, and you have right next to it this huge contrast. And behind me you have a parking lot, and then you have the other homes. That's the area over there where I was just at. So, really good visit here. One thing that can be shocking in Brazil sometimes is the proximity between the have and the have-nots. So over here you have this nice building here, and on this side you have this building completely taken over by the homeless people. As you see, this place is completely empty and not habitable, but you have several people who need housing. So they've taken over this complete building here, and that's where they live. You know, they have no running water, no electricity, nothing. They're homeless, and they just need a place to stay. So this neighborhood here is called Little Africa. It is known to be one of the largest area with the black population here in Rio de Janeiro. It doesn't mean that they are unhappy. Being poor doesn't mean being sad. Some people have a lot of money and they're actually more depressed than the people that live here. So one thing I learned in Brazil is that money is important, but it's not the only ingredient to happiness. Happiness is something you find within yourself. So I hope that with these videos that I'm sending you guys that you appreciate and get a different perspective than the one you may be accustomed to. So thank you. Here we are arriving at the Quality Inn. That's where we are staying. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like and put the price below down here as well. Alright, everybody's taken care of. We'll be on standby. Welcome again to Salvador Bahia, Africa away from Africa. Alright. So guys, we finally got our keys. It's a different building. In front, the one in front of us is the actual one right there. That's where we're gonna be. This is the main, and on top there's a bar and a pool, and they gave us some welcome drinks, vouchers. So those are always welcome. Who says no to the drinks? What floor you on?
8.
8. Pat, you on 8 as well? 8 floor?
813.
All right, let's go. Okay, obrigado. All right. So guys, that's what it is. We're heading to the other building now. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's see what's going on. And you see they have a nice little terrace right here, Cedro. It looks like a restaurant. They're giving, there's also breakfast included on this. You know, you got free breakfast. So this is always great. If you don't have to go try to find a place to eat early in the morning, that's always great. So guys, Salvador Bahia is Africa, outside of Africa. Most people here are, are black, and it's great to see just the difference between, Salvador and Rio. We were lucky we were able to get in all on the same floor, and this elevator is just not gonna work for more than 2 people. Yeah, y'all can go, man. I take the last one. Oh, okay. I guess that solves that. Okay, all right. All right. Yes. 8.
You close the card here.
Okay.
You select your floor.
Okay. Put the card.
8.
Put the thing right there. No, it's here, man. Okay. Uh-oh. Sorry. Perfect.
Oh, you gotta press hard.
Obrigado. Gotta push with a little bit of intensity. So first impression, what do you think so far? You just got here from the airport. What do you think?
Man, it's nice. It's very sunny. Very it looks modern.
Yeah. Excuse me. I'll try to take it.
Lots of black people, as you said, but not just regular, or not. I shouldn't say regular, but extremely beautiful.
Yeah. Oops.
They love their braids.
Yeah, they do.
Princess.
They do. All right. Okay, this way. All right. I will show you what's going on here. All right. Guys, this is the spot. So is there a problem here? You got somebody else's? Yeah, this is a big mistake. So they gave Carrie a room that seems occupied. Look at this. Man, this is not clean. Somebody was having fun here in a carnival. They did not clean this room. Wow. Well, housekeeping did not clean this room just yet, man. Damn, I'm sorry. What they got, a shirt there? Yeah, they gotta fix that, man. They gotta give you some kind of discount. That's crazy, guys. Can you believe that? Hey. Wow, so let's see if my room is lived in as well. You know? No. It's not lived in, so this. Yeah.
Can I just put my bags in your room?
Yes, please do. Come on.
Go sort this out.
All right. So it's really warm in here, and I need to turn on the AC, guys. Yo, check this out. So this is the bedroom. You know, you have a queen size bed, Do I have any kind of view in here? Wow, this is nice. You know, you can really see the red rooftop, the buildings over there. And then this looks like an apartment building right here. So I have to say, for the price, I'm happy with the space. Because we had to say if we do Airbnbs or whatever, and we decided to instead do a hotel, you know. The prices were not bad. So guys, this is the Quality Inn. You know, you have a lot of options here in Salvador. This is my second time in the city, so I wanted something a little bit different than the first time. This is the shower. All right, so good size. And then you have this family room type situation here, living room, and a working station right there. That's where, you know, eating spot, whatever. And a microwave. You got a microwave. You know, they hook you up with a refrigerator and some drinks already here, ready to roll. Outstanding. And yeah, you know, some storage space. It's very safe. You know, safe is always good to have, so you can secure your passport. Let me see. Personally, I have my own safe, guys. I save my own passport very securely. But it's always good, you know. If you have a guest, whatever you don't trust necessarily, you want to throw your passport in there. So guys, this is it. I'm gonna go ahead and try to connect to the Wi-Fi. I'm gonna catch up with my friend Callie. Callie is an amazing, amazing tour guide in the area, guys. She really helped me out last time I came through. So this will be our second encounter, and we're gonna see what's going on with her. What catch up? A lot has happened since I posted that video. Lots have happened, so we're gonna talk about issues. So if it's your first time on the channel, welcome. Please kindly subscribe. I'm a world traveler. I try to bring you content from all around the world and show you details of my trips so you can learn about the places I visit. My goal is to inspire you to travel. When I film a video, I try to give you guys a really good impression of the place that I'm going and show you the reality. I'm not trying to sugarcoat anything. I'm not trying to talk trash. That's not what this video is about. This is really about giving you a first-hand perspective about the destinations that I go to, and I try to talk to locals if I can, you know, just to have, you know, basically the perspective about living in the places that I visit. So that's basically IvainTures, you know, trying to motivate people to travel. So if you're a first-time viewer on my channel, welcome. Please kindly hit that subscribe button, press like. It helps the video get promoted by the YouTube algorithm. So I really appreciate if you can smash that like button as well. So guys, from the beautiful city of Salvador, I will see you guys later. Cheers.
Self-love is the best love. It's the people who always give that never get love. They ain't real enough to probably say they messed up. Just let it go and make the best of it. Love yourself.